I swear 90% of my fans wey come watch this match they no come make my win.
Yeah.
I know why I tell you 90% of my fans come watch this match they no come make my win. We can't do send off for Ten Hag. Na send off now we come do today and we pray say make the thing work the way we want am. 2-0 up 2-0 e no reach 15 minutes e no reach 15 minutes e come back to 2-2. The same place wey dey watch my man na the same place dey watch Chelsea match I wan they no gree us rest there. One guy ask me whether for bet Naija you get any option dem get say any option say man you no fit man you can never remain play am because you no go fit win. 2-0 up I don dey happy say okay Rashford don dey get confidence we don dey come back oya something go sup today we don dey win 2-0 ojulem don come before I know fear dem switch back to default settings everybody go back to where dem from dey come 2-0 2-2 begin win all 3-2. Na the first time I score goal I no celebrate because me sef I no want the goal sef I want make that match end 3-2 make that coach fit comot which kind nonsense dem dey play everybody dey play rubbish and especially Bruno Fernandes when he make that tackle I dey outside dey shout na red card make dem give am make him get out because number one we dey short one as him comot we come complete 11 and Bruno Fernandes comot for that game na the game come balance because the guy was clean the game but bro I no just understand if you no gree if you no wan play for Man again then tell me why you accept contract. If you say you no wan play for Man again your mind no dey for Man again why you accept contract ESPN never post am Sky Sport never post na you first post am for your page say you don accept contract we dey feel like say okay your mind dey there you wan work with us but then you begin dey play nonsense dey play like under 21 player just imagine immediately Bruno get that red card man you come balance nobody dey do those rubbish again no be when dem come score the 3-3 no be when dem score 3-3 people dey lead 2-0 na they come they beg for draw for 9 minutes what nonsense na Manchester United be this we really get a long way to go I just wan stress if you watch based on wetin happen to me last time I never deal with my mental health finish so I come to watch wetin my go just do for send off for Ten Hag make Ten Hag fit go.
They don give am 2 matches now e remain 1. How I say the next game Aston Villa.
My prayer first of all tomorrow morning ma see news say Ten Hag has been sacked that's my prayer number one. Bruno Fernandes anything wan do wey happen to am may happen to am cause that one sef already na minus 1 for the team understand and imagine people dey play next Aston Villa inform Aston Villa wey get 100% winning rate against Bayern Munich now we wan go play next we no fit do anything against other opponent Aston Villa.
Una go try na una go win.
Even if Man U win Aston Villa make Ten Hag go we no even want the ultimatum again make him just go because no right now nobody go fit come out na say my pattern na this one or that one we no get pattern and unpopular opinion Maguire good pass Matthias de Ligt 1000 times make anybody argue am you see Matthias de Ligt na him be I know that I wan rate am under because Matthias de Ligt no even dey under some under 21 level the guy just based on area duels apart from area duels nothing that guy fit do again nothing. You see Matthias de Ligt will not carry the best player in Nigerian league if him play Nigerian league no carry best player the guy dey play rubbish only way I go visit na area duel then cross ball go contest to not that's just all but no be that kind player we dey find no be that kind tool we dey find I know the kind excitement all of us get so we don sign Matthias de Ligt finally but then see wetin he come dey give us Maguire better pass Matthias de Ligt 1000 and if Man U go fit give Lisandro Martinez better person go fit partner with am we go see the best out of am but the rest I just play